Because you put an idea on paper and you don't really think it can go anywhere at some points. And then there's other times where you're like, wow, this is so audacious, it might just work. And to see it in person now, it's humbling, it's exciting. Not even the structure of the thing, but it's the amount of gifts and how generous people have been. That by far outweighs the actual experience of walking into the space. We're going to see God do what he does. It's going to be great.
Just very much touched my heart just to see them so happy.
Like, hey, every family that comes in, you announce that this is free. Like an hour later, all the booths were swamped because there were so many people that were coming in. They thought like they had to pay for it. They all realized that everything here was a free gift for them.
She said, "You guys changed my life today."
It didn't matter how much money they had, they could come and just shop for free.
The joy and the smiles and the dignity that they had because of what we as a community were able to do for God's glory.